Welcome, Brian, to this interview today, where you and I are going to talk about the organization fhhd here in Denmark, and about the role you have and I have. You are the chairman, and I'm the vice woman. I'm the vice chairwoman. Can you tell me something about the role that you have in this organization in Denmark?
Well, I have a formal role because there needs to be a chairman because it's an association. So we have an obligation to do it the right way. For example, also during the conference, we'll have our annual meeting, which we are obliged to do. I have also the formal role as, you can say, a kind of host during the conference. I will be the one who will bid you welcome, and I will conclude or end the conference, for example.
Yes, and you are also going to speak at the conference for the first time.
Oh yeah, this year it's going to be my first time as a speaker. Yes, I'm looking forward to this.
Yeah, and Brian, this organization is an organization which is we have this board. So we are not the only one. We have other people working together.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and this conference has changed from one kind of conference to another one, because the conference was at Fyn, and now it's going to Copenhagen, and it's going to be more international. Can you tell more about that?
Yeah, it's been a kind of evolution, I would say, maybe a natural evolution. That the reason why we historically have placed the conference at Funen is that it's a middle point of Denmark, because we are members coming from different places all over. Of course, they're also coming from abroad, and because I think we expect a larger or a more clear international profile, we will also try to make it easier for you who are coming from other countries, so you can fly into Copenhagen. And of course, there are also more things to do and see in Copenhagen. That's another factor.
Yeah, because I got this idea that Thursday evening we could do some street hypnosis. So we are also going out in the street together.
There'll be lots of people.
And that's going to be very fun. I hope so. We have this when I talk with the different speakers and people who wants to join the conference, they say that they have heard that in Denmark we have this one room where everyone speaks. We do not divide it in 1, 2, 3 rooms where
we have one track, so to speak, one main track.
Precisely, yeah. And they tell me that that's a special thing that we do that in Denmark. So are we going to do that in the future, or what do you think?
I think we'll stick to that. It makes it gives the ability that you can bond better with people. So we will not just keep growing the conference just for the sake of growing it. So I think this is a parameter that is very important for us, the connection between people, and yeah.
Yeah,
That's it.
yeah. I'm on the same road. Okay, so if we should say something to the speakers and people who wants to join the conference, what would be important to say?
Well, I think we have already mentioned that it is an international conference. It means there'll be it'll be a mix. It'll be a combination of speakers from abroad and some Danish speakers, some who will also present in English. So expect a very international profile, because after all, Denmark is a very small country, so we need to open up and we need to expand. we have a Danish word. It's a little bit difficult to translate, but it's called hygge. And sometimes people translate it as a coziness, but it doesn't really, nail it 100%, but expect a hyggelig conference.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And that's always what I hear when I go outside Denmark to other conventions is we have heard that in Denmark you have this word hygge. What is it? And I always explain it's when I go to England, you go to the pubs and you go to the bars and you are having a time together there. And that's what it is. But I don't know why it's so special in Denmark, but it is.
Yeah,
So that's how I'm trying to explain it when I meet people abroad.
exactly.
Okay, then. So for everyone who is going to join us, we are looking very forward to that. And the conference is in March 2026. We will start Thursday with street hypnosis on the 5th of March, and then the conference is going on Friday the 6th, Saturday the 7th, and Sunday the 8th, and then people can fly home or drive home or walk home. And it's in Copenhagen, and we are really looking forward to meeting all of you.
Yeah, and I'm looking forward very much to seeing you again, no matter if you are an old face or somebody new. And I think we really have tried this year really to provide very exciting content for the conference, something that will be interesting for all. Perhaps I do like to mention before I conclude this that, of course, as an organization, we are very different because we are hypnotists and we are hypnotherapists. So sometimes, the field of interest will differ. Some will focus a lot on technique, and some people will prefer something else. Maybe it's something that focus on the conditions of our clients instead. So it's important for me as a chairman, at least, to make sure we have a mixture of different subjects, and I think we've nailed it this year.
Yeah. We also have magician and people like that. We like to have different kind of therapists and people working with the mind.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay. So from here, we both say we are looking forward to meeting all of you. Do you have something to say?
Indeed. No. Please secure your seat now.
Secure a seat now.
And you
Okay.
still have
Thank you,
the chance.
Brian, for this talk.
Yeah, you're welcome.